Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download UNO game on your iPhone. So let's get started. Open your App Store and then go to the search box and type in UNO and search. Once you find this application, simply tap on the Get button to begin the download. Wait until the application is downloaded and installed on your iPhone. UNO is a new mobile classic card game with new rules, World Series tournaments, modes of play, and much more. Once the application is downloaded and installed, you'll be able to open it up on your iPhone. So that is how you can easily download UNO application on your iPhone with a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.